Welcome to I Want Paella channel. I'm Jay and today we're cooking the white and red paella. The ingredients for the white and red paella of today are paella rice, onion, white fish, red peeled shrimp, chopped tomatoes, the rest of the paella ingredients such as paprika, paella mix and saffron, and our very special rockfish stock. Okay, let's start making this white and red paella. Don't forget that you can visit us at iwantpaella.eu, where we have the paella kit, which is the pan, the burner with the legs. Don't forget to buy the gas hose as well. We have only the paella pans. We have enamel, carbon steel, inox. We have all different sizes of burners. So don't forget to come visit us at iwantpaella.eu. First, let's cook our onion. I call this recipe white and red because we're going to be using white fish and red prawns. This recipe reminds me when I started cooking paellas at the London market. I used to have 6 stalls, and I used to make very different recipes depending on which one I was working at. During the week, I would usually work at the markets in central London for the offices, and then on weekends it was Primrose Hill. Brick Lane Market is where they sold stolen bicycles. Yeah. Anyway, the most sold paella, of course, was the seafood, and then chicken, vegetarian, lamb paella was delicious. I used to make it with halal lamb that I used to buy at the Muslim butcher shops in London. Very good, baby lamb, delicious. And also on weekends, usually at night for dinner, I used to work private events as a paella catering service as well. So yeah, I've worked for a long time in the paella business. Okay, let's add our chopped tomatoes. Let's leave that cooking for a bit. We want the oil and the onion to mix with this fresh tomatoes that I use. Let's add half a teaspoon of paprika. let's add powdered saffron. It's just a bit. And let's add half an envelope of paella mix, both for flavor and color. Alright, and let's mix this in. Okay. I'm gonna add now our 300 grams of paella rice for 3 portions. Here we go. Okay, let's mix this in. Let's add our 900 milliliters of paella stock. Remember, this is rockfish paella stock. It takes around 16 hours to be made, but I bought it in the supermarket, so. Okay, a bit more. Okay, let's leave a bit in case we need to add some at the end. Let's distribute this a bit. I will shake it. Okay. Something like that. All right. Distribute all of that. Okay. Let's turn on the outer paella burner ring, as this will help heating up the exterior part of our pan. All right, there you go. In the meantime, let's add our white fish. And fish water for extra flavor. Let's shake that a bit. And wait for it to boil completely. We've reduced our paella burner power down to 50%. And we're gonna start adding our red peeled prawns. All around the paella, we're gonna try to make a drawing. And the shrimp water as well. Let's give it another shake. There you go. And let's try the rice for the first time with a clean spoon in here, for instance. Okay, that rice is pretty raw. That rice is pretty raw, it's around 40%. Let's try the rice for the second time with a clean spoon in a different place. Okay, that rice is around 60%, so we have a bit to go. Let's try the rice for the third time with a clean spoon in a different place. Here, for instance. Okay guys, that's around 70%. So we're gonna leave it 2-3 minutes simmering at 30%. Okay guys, I'm turning off the paella burner as we speak. I'm gonna give it the last shake and then I'm gonna bring it to our kitchen counter. Okay guys, we have the white and red paella. I'm gonna serve it on our plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Okay guys, let's serve this white and red paella. Some white fish, some prawns. Alright, something like that. There you have it. A proper portion of white and red paella. This is Jay signing off. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon.